everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome to a Halloween special, as you can see. Now, this is my daughter Abby. She does a lot of videos with me, but she's woke up this morning really poorly with a cold. However, on the bright side, I did say to her, you're supposed to look a bit like, you know, a bit like death. You feel a bit like death, don't you, today, babe? But she's doing the video for me, so we'll work around it, Abs. Okay, so this is going to be our spider web tutorial. I chose this one. I had a few in mind, but I chose this one because you don't need to braid. You don't need to have like technical ability. Just be able to put bobbles or hair ties in. That's it. So, are you ready, Smudge? Yeah, let's get started. Now, because I grew up in the 80s and 90s, guys, I know what a crimp is. So I've crimped Abby's hair because I want it to be big, easy to work with. This is not like the normal crimp that I do, which is a micro crimp. This is a proper 80s, 90s crimper. So I've left a little bit of hair out just in case anyone is really young watching, making me feel super old right now. But this is your crimper. And you're just literally going to be pressing that down the hair. And it's going to make the hair look really full, really wacky, and really easy to work with. So as you can see, I mean, Abby's got a lot of hair anyway, but it's really thickened it up. And what I'm going to do is a side pony, but I'm going to make like quite a severe side pony. So I'm not talking like there. I'm talking like here. I want all that hair kind of almost flowing over her face at the front. So I'm kind of just like directing the hair with my fingers first. Because like I said, it's quite a severe side pony that I want. Once all the hair, so if you can see, I'm just sort of getting my fingers to make sure there's no hair kind of facing the wrong way. And just raking that through. And on the side, and then you can get your brush and some spray afterwards. So we're just going to pop a hair tie in there. And then this bit's optional, guys, but I'm just going to cover up, so you could put like a scrunchie or a hair cuff. I'm just going to use Abby's own hair to cover that bobble. So I've just taken a section of hair, wrapping it around. Once it's back underneath, I'm going to use an elastic, pinch underneath, and just wrap that round. So next you're going to take some little black elastics, okay? Now, when you put these elastics in, I want you to think about where this web's going to sit, because if you stand over here and put them in this way, you're not going to be able to move them around. So we're going to take a section of hair. And we're going to try and make sure it is a long section. Don't just take little short bits. So if you feel like it's not quite long enough, try and just find, that's it. Try and make sure it's a nice long bit of hair, or the longest bit you can find. And we're going to pop in our first elastic. We're going to pick up another section of hair and do the same. Like, so they're going to go into a line like that, okay? And another section of hair, guys. So yeah, guys, technically this is not a difficult style. It's just a little bit time consuming, but it's really easy to do. All you're going to be doing is taking this second ponytail in, dividing it into two, and then I'm going to join these two together. And then you're going to go to the third one, divide it into two, and join these two together. And just keep working your way over, dividing into two, and then joining together. You're going to go again for me, guys, so dividing that up into two, and just keep going along that row. Try and keep your elastics in a straight line. It'll be easier for you to see where you're up to. And then as you go down, it naturally starts getting less and less ponytails, okay? So if you want that to kind of come more down the hair, make bigger gaps here. So mine are quite short. You could come further down if you wanted it to come more down the hair. Okay, so got my little gem spiders off Amazon the other day. Just paid a few pounds, just a few dollars for these guys. So I'm just going to kind of like place these in to the elastics and let them just sit on the hair. So as you can see, guys, just gives a really pretty effect. It's not too time consuming and it's definitely not difficult to do. But yeah, I think that looks really cute. Abby is loving the spiders. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed our Halloween special. We'll see you next week. It probably won't be Abby. I feel like she needs a few months off after today. Well done, Smudge. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!